Merry Christmas Eve. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am participating today in Ayla Avar's Yuletide Ball. And I just wanted to show you, you don't have to make a new dress for every challenge. And I know Ayla would appreciate it if I recycled some of the outfits. And I just wanted to show you these two girls. And Amaya got dressed up like this for the Amaya Raine challenge that was multi-Christmas lights. And I thought, you know what? It's a cute outfit. I'm going to show it twice. And then we have my Kinda Me, and she has on her little Santa outfit and jeans. But you know, a Yuletide ball can be anything you want it to be. It's just a fun thing to do to participate in these challenges. If you're participating today, please leave me a note in the comments because I want to see all the dresses. She has a necklace with the little lights, and she has little earrings, which I didn't put on her, but she has these cute little earrings I made to match. And then if you'll look at her shoes, she even has fancy lights on those. I want to thank Ayla for hosting this Yuletide ball, even though I can't say it. And I want to wish you all a merry, merry, happy Christmas. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel, not just today, but all year long. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thank you, Ayla.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.